Got some old trampoline there. More trampoline here. We've got some more trampoline down the front. This rain is getting a bit too much, I think. We gotta move. Okay, rain didn't do me any favors because one, I had to stop, and two, that meant there was bare metal exposed that I couldn't paint over. So there is a little bit of rust coming up on that stuff. That landed on my toes. That does mean we had bare metal exposed, and in places where I can't really get anything in there to clean it up, so we're gonna have to treat that. I mean, we're gonna treat it anyway. I'm running out of straights. I'll need to try and like cut and extend this, and then do the same with that one. Okay, treat a little bit of rust. So I'm hoping, because I'll be welding this part here, I'll treat this section, treat the inside of there, shove it in, and then clean up the area around where it's going to get welded. What? You don't want to be eating this stuff, you will die. Off you go. This isn't for you. What the fuck? I think someone's a little bit hungry. Hey! Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming. I don't have anything yet. Give me a second. There you go. There's nothing there. The bowl's here, you dumbass. Okay, while that stuff's doing that stuff, we can chuck in these two bars here. Grind back so that we can weld, flatten the ends down, chuck them in. think this time the rain's not gonna stop either. Looks like we're packing up for the day again. It's gonna take a long time to get this done. Okay, doesn't look like it's gonna rain today, thankfully, so should be able to get a fair bit done today. I'm hoping we can get these last two welded in and then start building a little back piece and try and get this thing freestanding. Once it's freestanding, then I can flip it over, weld the undersides of it, start getting some paint on it so I don't have to worry about the rust, and we should be sweet. I need more straights. That's my problem. I don't have enough straights, I think. Oh, sorry about the wind. We can steal that. Steal that. I wonder, do these fit? Do you fit into there? There we go. Alright, we can cut these up and make more straights out of them. Brilliant! With someone you are. Okay, I gotta do a little bit of thinking. I don't have enough pieces because I got these. We got these, which will be the back bits, so they'll be out here. Then I still need something to go from there to there, and then from the bottom down to the front. Okay, I have a plan. I'm gonna try and salvage as much of these straights as I can. Just cut off anything that's rusty, anything that's straight and not rusty, we're gonna try and keep it. Okay, this is that's what we got. That's what we got to work with to build the rest of that. There's the general idea, so it's flattened, so we get a bit more to weld onto. And then back here, I've got a mark where I'm gonna be, oh, actually there's a bit of a mark there. I can just hit that. Flatten that, and then that'll sit a bit better on there. Weld them up, and then do the same on the other side. Getting there. It is getting there. My hair is just everywhere. So I got this long one here. Cut this in half and then use this as supports through there. Tomorrow it's gonna be, yeah, weld that one in, try make a skinny beam for down the bottom there. Wire brush all of this stuff back, get some paint on it, so we're not having to worry about the rust. That's good, that'll be ideal. Then I need money to actually like buy wood. Give that 5 minutes again. Once it's dry, I've got some little strips of rubber that I'm gonna glue underneath on those metal bits, just so that we're not scratching that paint away when we do actually ride it. And it might help it grip a little bit more as well, so it doesn't slide. Little theory.
Take it slow, just you and me, falling backwards, just you and me, sing solo, just you and me, bashful lovers, just you and me, we take it slow, just you and me, falling backwards, just you and me, sing solo, just you and me. Hold us tight, whisper, please taste this wine, 'cause we passed from forever burn inside. Trust that this is not goodbye, just you and me. Just you and me. Just you and me. Bashful lovers, just you and me. We take it slow, just you and me. Falling backwards.
This could go horribly wrong. I've never ridden a skateboard on ramps before. It's more of just a thing to get from A to B, so this could get interesting. I like it. Okay. I'm so afraid of my ankles, but
Yeah, I would be too if it's spinning this that far. Ow, dude!
You can't break going backwards. Oh. Yes. I need to get it. I need to land it.
There we go.